Hi, my name is Raj, and this is my marketplace number 2. The tool I have chosen is called AutoAI, and I'm going to talk about it today. What is AutoAI? It's an app which helps people in meetings. It records everything the speaker says, and people can refer to these notes anytime after. AutoAI or Otter Voice is useful for meetings, interviews, class lectures, and other important voice conversations. What is the main purpose of this tool? This tool allows people to spend more time listening to meetings rather than writing notes, especially for people who are slow writers. It also allows deaf people to attend meetings. They can read the notes and understand. The purpose of AutoAI is to record whatever is said in meetings. Notes can be shared, filed in folders, and reviewed. How do you use an Otter voice? I'm going to show you how. So you type AutoAI and it brings you to this page. You may need to sign up. So I'm going to log in. So here you see this is the main page. This is my home page. And you can just run a Zoom Live. It runs the measurements on your calendar, and I had the basic package. So here we have all my conversations, and here's like everything shared with me. The apps, so we have Zoom, Dropbox, Google, Microsoft, and we have groups, and we have folders. So now I'm going to show you guys a tutorial. Hi, my name is Raj. This is my marketplace number 2, which I'm going to present to my professor Jennifer, and I hope she will like it. After, you have to press stop, and then you can, and then it'll be, and then you go on my conversation, and you can see it's right here, and you can also move it into the marketplace note, and then it'll be moved into the folder. And then if you click on here, you will see it's here. Where's the cost of this AutoAI? So the basic package is free, and the Pro is $8.50. And this is you get the people that use Pro has more, and the business is $20, and they also get more as well. Get live notes from Zoom, class lecture from Zoom. That's what they get. How can AutoAI be used in an educational setting? This app can be used in classrooms for students who have difficulty writing notes with hearing issues. It can be used during lectures, meetings, interviews, etc. My overall impression of this tool. The overall impression of this tool is very exceptional. It magically generates shareable smart notes that sync audio, text, and image. It has made life easier for a lot of people. What is the age of this app? Any age group can benefit from this app. What is the age group of this tool? Any age group can benefit from this app. It can be used by teachers to support their students, by parents, and by older students. Which platform can AutoAI be downloaded? This app can be downloaded on Google Play for Android device or Apple Store for iOS device. Who is the publisher of this tool? Sam Liang is the publisher of the AutoAI. He's also a CEO and a serial interpreter. He has done a lot of meetings in his 25 years career. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you like it and will consider using AutoAI in future.